Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I will present my research. I conducting the research at Babatoman Pilit with Julius and Siti Ramadini Adelia, Faculty of Agriculture, Department of Agribusiness, Sriwijaya University. The title of the research is The Utilization of briquette making machine to process gambir leaf and twig waste as firewood for gambir sap processing so as to reduce gambir sap production cost in Toman Village, Babatoman Subdistrict, Banyuasin District, South Sumatra Province. Next. Background. Gambir sap can be used as raw material in the pharmaceutical industry, cosmetic, batik, paint, leather tanning, biopesticides, hormone, pigment, and mixture of food additive. Gambir is one of the most exporting commodity from Indonesia because about 80% of the wood gambir sap product come from Indonesia. The location produce the gambir sap is South Sumatra Province. Formulation of the problem. The first is how to use the waste from the process of making gambir sap into briquette. Secondly, what are the social, economy, and environmental impact in utilizing gambir sap into briquettes. Objective and benefit. The first, calculating the cost of sapping of gambir sap production using briquette. The second, the result of the study are to enrich the treasure and knowledge can be used for consideration by the government or gambir farmers in maximizing profit and utilization waste. Method. Participant consists of academic from university, management of the Ginda Sugi Cooperative, the local government, Ginda Farmers Group Production Gambir Saps. The time and implementation. The research was conducted on November 11, 2021 at Toman Village, Babatoman Subdistrict, and Muba District. Data collection, direct observation, focus group discussion, and interview the sample of farmer for income data. Briquette manufacturing training. Training farmers to make briquette is done continuous training and monitoring so that they understanding how to make it and continuously. Key improvement, the sampling method is determine the income and expenses of gambir farmers by using the snowball sampling method by following the path carry out the farmers. Data processing is use the study survey method. One of it is to see the income and expenses of gambir. Result and discussion, how to make briquette. The drag of the leaves and twigs of gambir are dried in the sun for a day or two if the day is cloudy. Then put into the crushing machine, then stirred and mixed with cassava flour and given a little water until the solution blends. The print according to the size of about 10 centimeter long and 5 centimeter diameter. Then dried in the sun. Briquette can already be used. Economic impact. Briquette made from processed gambir leaf and twig waste can certainly have a positive impact in the Toman Village because if they use a briquette, the cost of production will be saved 50% because before they're using firewood. So if the briquette can be produced, so it is make them cost become decrease. In detail, you can see from this presentation. Social impact. The social impact after the existence of machine for processing gambir leaf was into briquette. In the farmer want to continue the run business of using gambir trees, and their ancestors did. In terms of soya society, Babat Tomanpilit is famous for producing gambir which has high catechin quality. The ancestors used to prepare gambir sap to be used as a snack. As evident by the teeth of the resident in the Babat Tomanpilit, they have never had problem with their teeth. Environmental impact. You can see from this picture, before and after the farmers using a briquette. Conclusion, the utilization of leaf and twig leftover from processing gambir sap can save production costs for gambir sap, especially for purchasing firewood as fuel, and the environment where the gambir sap is processed is clean and there is no leftover dregs of leaf and twigs scattered about. Suggestion, it is hoped that the government will specially attention to the gambir craftsmen farmer group by providing training so that the gambir processing become more hygienic and utilize all waste so that it has economic value and can help market the processing gambir sap so that the market is wider. Thank you.